How to log in to ADP Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your ADP Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for ADP Employee Account. After you search for that, you'll find this ADP's different links available. Head over to this ADP Workforce. After you tap on that, what you'll need to do is here, simply select Employee Login. Tap on Employee Login, and after you tap on it, it should take you to this very website. Now all you have to do is type in your user ID, and if you want to remember it, tap on this option. If not, simply tap on Next. Then type in your password, and after you type in your password, tap on Sign In and you'll get logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.